In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with any kind of repair expenses that is paid in cash. As we can see here, on 14th of January, it says repair expenses of office building paid by cash. So we are paying 55,000. Let's see how we can deal with this in Teleprime. From the daybook, if you want to switch directly to the voucher creation mode, alternate A is the shortcut key. And we are already in the payments, but otherwise you can switch it up from the right hand side. If you see this in gray, that means we are already in this document. Now, as we all know that Teleprime educational version only allows certain dates to be entered. It can be either 1, 2nd or 31st of any month. So I prefer to keep all my project on 31st. So I'll just change this date to 31st. And we are paying the expense by cash, right? So cash and repair and maintenance. Let's see if we already have this. If not, we will simply create it by just pressing the alternate C, which will take us directly to the ledger creation mode. And it comes under indirect expenses, and press Ctrl A to save. The expense total amount is 55,000. Hit enter, and we will just copy and paste the narration, which is this one right here, and press Ctrl A to save. And this is how we can deal with the cash repair expenses in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.